In this video, I'm going to be looking at investing in Dubai for dummies, and I'll be covering ownership, taxes, fees, financing, and property management. Let me guess, you've been thinking about investing in Dubai real estate for a while, and you haven't because you don't know much about Dubai. In that time, property prices have gone crazy high, and you're thinking, why didn't I just invest? So in May 2002, Dubai changed the rules, saying that foreigners could own freehold property in Dubai. This was unheard of in the Middle East, and it led to a lot of worldwide attention and people looking at Dubai as a place to invest. So what freehold means, you own the land and the building which the property is on. In many cases throughout the Middle East, it's leasehold only, which means you don't own the land, but you own the building for normally a period of time, such as 50 years. So what this does as a foreigner, when you're investing in Dubai, you not only get that building, but the land on which that building is also yours as well. So the good news about Dubai, there's absolutely zero taxes on whether you buy or sell or on any rent you pick up. So any money you receive from the property, including any property appreciation, it's all yours. This is very different from the UK, where capital gains tax can be 28%. So meaning if you do get that capital appreciation in Dubai, it's all yours, which is a big benefit. Okay, so what fees can you expect to pay? So the first fee, which is essentially a hidden tax, which is a 4% fee to the Dubai Land Department. That is only paid when you buy the property, and that's 4% of the property value. However, even so, if you compare that to the UK, the fee is very minimal. The other fees you can expect to pay is a 2% fee to the agent, a 0.25% fee of the loan amount if you're taking out a mortgage, registration fees of about 4,000 dirhams. A basic rule is you need about 7% of the property's value to be spent on fees such as agency fees, DLD fees, and other administration fees. For example, if you buy a property of about 1 million dirhams, expect to spend about 70,000 dirhams in fees alone. The next question is financing. Can you use financing to invest or buy property in Dubai? The answer is yes. If you're a non-resident investing, you can take out a mortgage of 50% of a ready available unit. And if you're a resident here, you can take out a mortgage of 75% of a ready-made unit. There's also the opportunity of using payment plans, and this is where you pay the developer directly. Okay, so you've bought a property in Dubai as an investment, and now you need to manage it. So you need to find a tenant, you need to look after the tenant, you need to do the maintenance, and then also the administration jobs such as the tenancy agreement and picking up the checks. So there's a number of very good property management companies which will do the entire process for you. I'm in a rented apartment, and the landlord has a property management company doing everything for him. I have absolutely no contact with the landlord. If I have any issues, I write to a property management company, and then they'll then write to the landlord. It just makes the landlord's life a lot easier. He's not having to directly deal with any tenants, and it comes for a property management company. For my tenancy renewal, the property management company organizes everything, does the negotiation on their behalf. It makes the process a lot more streamlined. However, this does come at a charge. This usually costs about 10% of the rental amount. So there you have it. If you're looking to invest in real estate in Dubai, this is a very brief guide of what to expect if investing in property in Dubai.